Top 3 stand mixers, a comprehensive comparison. Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 3 stand mixers available today. Whether you're a professional baker or a home cook who loves to experiment, a reliable stand mixer can make all the difference in your kitchen. Today, we'll be comparing the KitchenAid K45SS stand mixer with two of its competitors, the Cuisinart SM50 stand mixer and the Hamilton Beach 63391 stand mixer. We'll explore the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one suits your needs best. The KitchenAid K45SS is known for its versatility. It can be used with a variety of attachments, allowing you to perform tasks such as mixing, kneading, and even making pasta. The timeless design of the KitchenAid K45SS adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The KitchenAid K45SS is relatively expensive compared to some other stand mixers on the market. Its heavy build makes it less portable and more challenging to move around the kitchen. Some users find it to be noisier than other stand mixers, which can be a drawback in a quiet kitchen. Let's move on to the Cuisinart SM50. This mixer is generally more affordable than the KitchenAid K45SS, making it a great option for those on a budget. With a 500-watt motor, it offers more power than the KitchenAid K45SS, making it capable of handling tougher mixing tasks. It comes with several useful attachments, including a dough hook, whisk, and flat mixing paddle, providing versatility in your kitchen. The tilt-back head design allows for easy access to the bowl and attachments, making it user-friendly. While sturdy, the Cuisinart SM50 doesn't quite match the heavy-duty construction of the KitchenAid K45SS. The bowl capacity is slightly smaller, which might be a limitation for those who bake in large quantities. Similar to the KitchenAid, it can be quite noisy during operation, which might be a concern for some users. The Hamilton Beach 63391 is the most affordable option among the three, making it accessible for most households. Its lighter weight makes it easier to move and store when not in use, which is a plus for those with limited kitchen space. This feature ensures thorough mixing, similar to more expensive models, providing consistent results. Simple controls and a tilt-back head make it user-friendly, even for beginners. The motor is less powerful compared to the KitchenAid K45SS and Cuisinart SM50, which might struggle with very thick doughs. The build quality is not as robust, which could affect its longevity with heavy use. The bowl capacity is smaller, which may not be ideal for large batches, limiting its use for extensive baking projects. Choosing the right stand mixer depends on your specific needs and budget. The KitchenAid K45SS stand mixer is perfect for those who want a versatile, durable, and powerful machine and are willing to invest in it. The Cuisinart SM50 stand mixer offers a balance of affordability and performance, making it a great mid-range option. Lastly, the Hamilton Beach 63391 stand mixer is ideal for those who need a budget-friendly, lightweight mixer for occasional use.